Hey all, I just wanted to take you on a quick little virtual field trip. I'm here on my day job actually between Yellville and Harrison, which is about 2 hours east of NWACC. And I'm here at a road cut on 412, and I just saw this great kind of outcrop that's here behind me, or a road cut, and I just kind of wanted to share it with you and kind of take a good close look at these rocks, very similar to what we've been looking at in class, and kind of show you what they look like in their natural environment. While everybody gives me a weird look, all the traffic going by. So first off, I want to start looking kind of up top, up here, which is, I think, and I haven't checked a geologic map. Let me wait till the cars go by. Haven't checked a geologic map, but I'm pretty sure that's the Boone Formation. That's the stuff that's all around northwest Arkansas. It's really extensive, but it's a limestone, a really cherty limestone with chert nodules in it. But then we kind of get down here into this stuff. I'll kind of get up closer to that. Take a look at it and I'll kind of start picking at it, and there's a nice piece. Oh, what does that look like? This is a shale. Now, it doesn't look very shaly right here. What's going on there, and what is that? Boy, that looks like a nice little lens of sand. So what you've got going on here is, before the Boone Formation up there earlier in time, you had some more sediment getting into this environment. And with the Boone Formation, it's just limestone, right? You've got kind of a calm water environment. It might even be shallow, not really any sediment going on because it's just a limestone. There's no clastic material. But now we go down through time and we're in this area where, yeah, there's some clastic material. We've got a little bit of sand in here. We've got a whole bunch of clay and silt. And honestly, it's probably shallow and warm enough at this time that if I took some acid to this, it would probably fizz. There's probably just a lot of limey stuff in here. So it's kind of a weird rock where you get a little bit of everything. Hold on, my other phone is going off. I don't know who that is, and we're gonna ignore it. So, yeah, so you're in a much closer to the shore in this environment. You're maybe nearby a river that's dumping out sediment, and you're seeing slight little changes over time. These little changes you're seeing here, if that go from kind of sandy to shaly to sandy to shaly to sandy to shaly, those may be seasonal changes. Those may be annual changes. But then below that, we've really kind of have a shale where you have this weathering where it's underneath this stuff. It's really weathering out. So there's that kind of big layer, that big bed up there, that big formation. Again, I don't know what this exactly is. It might be the St. Joe all the way out here. But I need to look at a geologic map. But under here, you have much more of a clay environment where it's just weathering out really easily. And this is very much a shale right here. See if I can get some of that out. So still kind of limey, probably would fizz. The shale in our class we pick out specifically so it won't fizz, but you can still have calcium carbonate mixed in with shales. And then beneath this, and kind of what I'm walking on, and we'll go for a little hike over here. Over here. Oh, hey, look at that. See that big yellow thing right there? That's actually a fault. You can see there's this big block right here. It used to be connected to that section right there. Those used to go together, so this got squished down here from this little fault, small fault. So here's a good look at this stuff that's underneath. You can see it over here, but it's also down here at my feet. And if we look closely at it, we can see some really good chert nodules, right? Really sharp stuff, makes really good arrowheads and points. and but it's predominantly in a limestone that's being altered to this chert. But if I put acid on this stuff, boy, it's gonna fizz. But this whole area definitely seems to probably have formed in an environment where there's lots of calcium carbonate, there's lots of life. It's even getting into the shales. If I looked hard enough, I could probably start to spot some fossils. In fact, I think I already did. Yeah, just kind of wanted to show you these rocks in an outcrop and kind of what they look like in a big picture. It's not a perfect situation where I've got, hey, perfect nice little sandstone, perfect shale, perfect limestone. I've actually got some mixture of it going together, but you can definitely see these different layers. So there's that Boone Formation up there, that limestone. You get into this big classic kind of shaly environment, much more of a shale, and then another limestone beneath that. Yeah, hopefully that enlightened you a little bit, and if it didn't, well, hopefully you can go on the field trip that we take, and you can kind of get to see this stuff up close at a similar road cut in Bella Vista.